Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm recording straight from my iPad, so I do apologize for the quality and maybe the lighting is not too great, but I'm trying to work with the best. Today we're going to record a video on my Valentine's Day makeup look with the high half up, half done ponytail that has been highly requested. That you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel, and then everything that I use will be down on the links. So let's get started. I'm gonna go in and prep with MAC's Natural Radiance primer. I like to use as a moisturizer slash primer before any makeup application. I'm using NARS Sheer Glow foundation and a damp beauty blender. I like to blend my foundation all the way down my neck, and then whatever's left over product on my beauty blender I use for my forehead. Going in with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I also blend with a smaller beauty blender. I like to apply it right under the eyes, on the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, and just down on the chin area. I now sit with Huda Beauty's Banana Bread Powder and a 240S brush and just blend right under the eyes. Now gonna set my makeup with MAC's Pseudo Fix powder and a dense brush. I've been breaking out quite a little bit, so I do like a full coverage look. I'm contouring with MAC's NC50 Studio Fix powder and an angled brush, taking it at the temples and the hairline. I love Give Me Some Bronzer from MAC, so I'm going to take it right over that contour just to add a bronzed look. Using the NC50 Studio Fix powder, I also like to contour my nose. Warming up my cheeks with MAC's limited edition Mariah Carey blush. There's Flower Power that is very similar, and a 129 brush. Taking Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I like to take the lighter pink undertone shade just to highlight right under my eyes for an extra highlighted look. I'm prepping my eyes for shadow with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just blending out with my finger. For this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Daisy Marquez palette, and the first color I'm going to start with is Dulce. I took that right on the crease with the 224 brush from MAC, and I do like to take it and blend in circular motions, starting at the beginning of my brow, and kind of blending the color towards the brow, just so it looks nice and blended. The next color I'm using is Karma. And all I'm doing is deepening the crease color, and make sure you sweep out, just to elongate the look of the eye. So taking it out towards the eye. The next color I'm using is Passion Fruit. Again, taking it right on top of the crease, darkening it a little bit. I do use the same technique, which is circular motions, windshield motions, and make sure you're really taking it out towards the eye. The last color I'm going to be using is Bittersweet, and that I'm adding to the lash line. And then taking a pencil brush to smudge it out so it's not so harsh. I'm now taking the color Stunt and adding that on the lid and the inner corners of my eyes, or the tear duct. Going back to the color Passion Fruit, I'm going to take it right under my eye to create a smudged out or smoky look. Then I take a fluffy brush and blend that out just so I don't have any harsh lines. Taking the color Karma, I like to really blow out my look and connect to the outer corners. Setting my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, brushing up and brushing sideways. So now to fill in my brows, I use a Just a Brand eyeshadow from a limited edition MAC eyeshadow palette, just to add depth to my eyebrows. Any brown should work. And just taking some mascara before my lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Now I'm going to add some lashes. These are Luxe by Glam By TL, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Lining my lips with Sugar Pie Lip Liner from Morphe, and filling in with my absolute favorite, Peachstock from MAC. Add just a tiny bit of my concealer right at the center of my lips for an ombre look. Setting my whole makeup with the Morphe setting spray, and that's it, y'all. Okay, now that my makeup's done, I'm gonna continue with our hairdo. This is like second day hair. I personally prefer second day hair. I feel like it's easier to play with. So I just realized I don't have any hairspray. So, but it's okay. So I like to use just any gel. I have this Johnny B gel that I have. So, and I am gonna use some Edgewax. This is Mariah's Edgewax for my edges. You're gonna need, I use an old toothbrush for my edges, and then just something that you can pull your hair back, and then a hair tie. So let's do this. So I start off by sectioning my hair. So when I section my hair, this hairdo, I'm sectioning my hair like right at the top of the crown of my hair. So my section is gonna be really high, and pin it down. Rest of my hair in a hair tie. So using my scrunchie, we're just gonna pull this back. Water, a little bit of gel, just because this gel is kind of like sticky. All our hair. Like I said, I feel like dirty hair works best, but that's just me personally. Okay, so grabbing our hair comb, we're just gonna start really pulling this up. We're gonna be hella lambidas right now. I like to comb it through until I get it as perfect as I can. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it now. Grabbing my Via. And I hate bumps. I remember when I was little, my mom would do pencils on me, and if I had a bump, I'd make her take it off and do it again. So it's nice and slick. Make sure it's nice and tight. The edges. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of that wax, and my edges are, they're really easy, guys, so all you have to do is just pull out the little hairs you want to edge up, and then just add a little bit of that wax. Is I just take my toothbrush and then I just roll it, holding on to the top of it and then rolling it into the hairline. Just like that, we have our edges lined. We're going to continue to the rest of the hair. And then we're actually going to wrap our little hair around our hair tie so it's not showing. And then for this, I use 2 bobby pins. We're just going to grab a strap, a little piece of hair from behind or from under our ponytail. It doesn't have to be too much, so just a little bit of hair. And then we just wrap it. Make sure it's nice and tight. For your hair to stay or what's worked for me, is crisscrossing your bobby pins. So I stick the first one to secure it, so towards the front. Now I'm gonna take another one and put it in towards the front or the side to crisscross. This way it's nice and secure and it doesn't move anywhere. And then now this part, you can either straighten it or curl it or whatever you like. I'm actually gonna straighten it and then just stick out the, curl the tips of my hair. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip the tips a little bit. So just pull it up. That way it kind of gives me like a 90s vibe, 80s vibe, I don't know what vibe, what year. So we're just, so I kind of flipped it. And then the pony, you can also flip out, but I'm not going to. I mean, you can if you want to, but I'm just gonna re-straighten it and then just kind of curve the tips in a little bit so it just blends in with the rest of my hair. So I had to do my teasing off camera, but I teased my hair a little bit. That is the final look. Kim Kardashian inspired, whatever inspired, Mercy inspired, you know what I mean? I'm just kidding. But this is it, guys. My half ponytail and Valentine's Day makeup inspired tutorial. I hope that you guys continue to watch all of my videos and that you like and subscribe to my channel. I don't know, sometimes I get nervous and like what to say. Share with your friends, tag a friend, whatever you like. Give us some feedback. I am all about you guys again for watching. I hope that you guys have an awesome day and we'll see you soon. My brow's showing. Sorry.